Hello and welcome back to another episode of Prep Set Go. Today we'll be looking at steel preservation using RLA's Zinc Primer. Now the construction industry is one of the biggest users of steel, accounting for 50% of the world's demand. Steel is a common building material used for a wide array of building elements, from roofs, cladding, handrails, balustrading, gates and doors. It is also commonly used in structural applications to create channels and support beams in residential housing applications, right up to large-scale applications including bridges, skyscrapers and industrial buildings. Steel is also a major critical component of structural concrete elements, providing the necessary internal reinforcement to achieve the required strength and load-bearing capacity. The extensive use of steel can be attributed to its versatility, relative cost-effectiveness, durability, its availability, and its unique high strength-to-weight ratio. The downside to steel, however, is that it is susceptible to rust and corrosion when exposed to certain conditions. And in the construction sector, zinc primer is often used in the treatment of steel reinforcement when conducting concrete repairs. Concrete spalling, sometimes referred to as concrete cancer, is a major structural defect and can represent considerable maintenance and repair costs to buildings. Concrete spalling is caused by severe corrosion to steel reinforcement bars, caused by chloride ions in conjunction with water and oxygen. As the steel rusts, it expands and puts pressure on the surrounding concrete, causing it to blow out. The concrete can become brittle, crack and delaminate, allowing further exposure to corroding elements that will further exacerbate the issue. RLA Zinc Primer is a one-pack, highly durable epoxy resin with sacrificial zinc pigment. With outstanding adhesion and highly durable finish, it protects steel against future degradation, thus preserving the integrity of the surrounding concrete, even in harsh environments and severe corrosion-inducing conditions. As well as steel preservation in concrete reinforcement, zinc primer can also be used as a finish protective coat or top-coated with suitable decorative finishes. Now let's take a more in-depth look at the concrete repair process using RLA Zinc Primer. Once all damaged concrete has been removed back to a sound base and the steel reinforcement exposed, any rust is to be mechanically removed by grinding, sanding, grit blasting or wire brushing. Treat any remaining rust with a suitable deoxidizer or chemical rust remover as required. In some cases where the steel reinforcement may have deteriorated beyond salvaging, it may need to be cut out and removed and a new section installed. Once the steel has been completely cleaned or replaced, stir the zinc primer and apply a liberal coat. The zinc primer passivates the steel reinforcement and will protect it from further corrosion. Be careful to apply zinc primer only to the reinforcement bars and not to the host concrete. If applied to the host concrete, it can prevent the bond of subsequent repair mortars and create bonding issues. Once applied and dry, use a suitable mortar or specified concrete compound to reinstate damaged sections to the required profile. And remember to check out the RLA range of repair mortars and systems for suitable options. Zinc primer can be applied by brush, roller or spray. For brush and roller applications, apply product directly without diluting. And for spray applications over larger areas, the product can be thinned with mineral turbs. Always apply in a well-ventilated area and ensure the area is well ventilated until the product has fully dried. As always, remember to refer to the latest TDS for all other product application information, including coverage rates, drying times, weather considerations, and optimal application conditions. So that's our look at RLA Zinc Primer and a basic rundown of its use in the preservation and treatment of steel reinforcement elements in concrete repair applications. We hope you've enjoyed this episode and hope you can join us next time for another episode of Prep Set Go. Goodbye.